Buenos días, buenas tardes y buenas noches, estudiantes. Now that you have counted from uno a cien, let's go from cien to mil, from 100 to 1000. Now, if you thought those others were easy, boy, this is going to be a super treat for you. Okay? Super treat. Check it out. Check it out. So, really, all you're learning are these numbers right here. And even they're not that hard, okay? You don't actually have to memorize them, although that's probably the easiest way to do it. It's just memorize these numbers, right? Uh-huh. Like I said, it's super easy. I'm not kidding. Even this PowerPoint agrees with me. Oh, actually, this is a keynote, but it still agrees with me. Cien. Cien. Can you say that? Say cien. Come on, I know you can. Cien. Now, here's the really cool thing. Watch this. Dos cientos, not just cien, but cientos, because there's more than one of them. Now there are two of them, right? There's two 100s. Literally, dos cientos literally just means two 100s. See that? I'll bet you can guess the next one. I'll bet you can. What do you think it is? Man, you're so smart. You're right. It is trescientos. Trescientos. Now, I won't even insult you with telling you to guess the next one. Cuatrocientos. Cuatrocientos. Now, on the next one, you're probably saying, I'll bet the next one is cinco cientos. And technically, you could say that and people would understand you, but that's not really how it's done, okay? Remember that quin? We talked about quin from way back in quince? Well, check this out. Here it comes again, quinientos. Quinientos. And you know why it's different? That's right. It's the drunk monks. It's those drunk monks. Seiscientos. Seiscientos. Setecientos. 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 You say it. Setecientos. Ochocientos. Ochocientos. And check it out. Here's another one that changes a little bit, but this one not as much as quinientos, but it's nove instead of nuevecientos. Again, if you said nuevecientos, people would understand you. They would just think you were dumb, and you don't want to sound dumb. So what you say is novecientos. Novecientos. And the last one is super easy. Mil. Mil. That's right. Now you actually know how to count from uno, a mil, to 1,000, because you just put them together, right? So if I wanted to say, for example, 222, I would say what? What do you think I would say? Take a guess. Take a guess. Yeah, exactly. I would say dos cientos, right? 200. 22. 222, right? Or if I wanted to say 335, how would you do that? What do you think? What do you think? That's right. 335. And so you can see how it works. It's pretty straightforward. You can do it. In fact, why don't you try that? Try counting from uno a mil, but on your own time, not on mine. Okay? Hasta luego.